Did you know that in just the past 5 years, the amount of data generated around the world has increased by a staggering 500%? And with the exponential growth in data comes an urgent need for an advancement in AI. As we move into the future, the role of AI in our society will only continue to grow, and it's crucial that we work together to ensure that we're using this technology to create a better world for everyone. That's why we're excited to share with you today the incredible partnership between the United States and the European Union to drive global advancements in AI. Before we discuss this in detail, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Partnership to drive global advancements in AI. The partnership between the US and the EU to drive global advancements in AI has been ongoing for several years. In 2018, the US and the EU announced the creation of the AI High-Level Expert Group. The H-Leg is composed of experts from both regions and is tasked with developing ethical guidelines for the development and deployment of AI. The H-Leg's work has been critical in setting global standards for AI and ensuring that the technology is developed and deployed responsibly. In addition to the H-Leg, the US and the EU have established several initiatives aimed at driving advancements in AI. One of these initiatives is the Transatlantic AI Forum, which was launched in 2019. The forum brings together policymakers, researchers, and industry leaders from both regions to discuss AI-related issues and promote collaboration on research and development. The forum has been instrumental in fostering dialogue between the US and the EU on AI-related issues and has facilitated the sharing of knowledge and best practices. Another initiative aimed at driving advancements in AI is the US-EU AI R&D initiative. The initiative was launched in 2020 and aims to facilitate collaboration on AI research and development between the US and the EU. The initiative focuses on 4 key areas: AI standards and interoperability, AI research and innovation, AI workforce development, and AI global cooperation. The initiative has already led to several joint research projects and has helped to accelerate the development of AI technologies in both regions. A Global Vision for the Internet, the 2022 Declaration. The United States, the European Union, and other nations proposed a Declaration for the Future of the Internet in April 2022. This declaration's overarching goal is to encourage the development of an internet that protects and respects human rights while remaining open, free, global, interoperable, dependable, and secure. The European Union and its member states are among the 60 parties who support it. Partners voice worries concerning authoritarian governments stifling internet freedoms, human rights abuses committed with the use of digital technologies, cyber attacks, unlawful content and disinformation, and the unchecked accumulation of wealth and political influence. Together, they pledge to develop digital technologies that foster connectedness, democracy, peace, the rule of law, and sustainable development while mitigating the risks that come with them. It expands upon the Declaration on Digital Rights and Principles, which was presented for co-signing with the European Parliament and Council of the European Union, and is in line with the rights and principles profoundly rooted in the EU. Its goal is to make sure that the internet respects the values of democracy, freedom, and human rights as outlined in the United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights. In light of recent events in Ukraine, serious disruption to the internet is a real possibility, and the Russian government has been threatening to disconnect from the global internet, increasing the potential of fragmentation. In order to put the Declaration's ideals into practice, partners will collaborate while maintaining each party's independence in matters of regulation. US and EU unite to launch cohesive AI agreement. The White House and the European Commission have recently signed an administrative agreement to accelerate progress in the field of artificial intelligence. The agreement aims to enhance agriculture, healthcare, climate forecasting, and emergency response. Unlike previous agreements that focused on privacy issues, this pact is described as the first sweeping AI agreement between the United States and Europe. The EU's Internal Market Commissioner, Thierry Breton, noted that the agreement is based on common values and interests and aims to develop societal applications of AI in collaboration with international partners for a truly global impact. The agreement includes AI modeling, which uses data to make logical decisions through machine learning algorithms. The goal is to leverage the full potential of AI to enable governments on both sides of the Atlantic to improve government operations and public services by utilizing richer sources of data. According to an anonymous US official, the agreement's magic lies in the creation of joint models that don't require the movement of data from its original location. This means that US data can remain in the US and European data can stay in Europe, but a model can be developed that uses both sets of data. The official emphasized that the more data, especially diverse data, used to build the model, the better it'll be. Reuters reported this statement. Better data for better decisions. An official from the US has stated that a newly formed agreement between the White House and the European Commission will not only enhance transatlantic cooperation in areas such as supply chain security and emerging technologies, but it will also improve electric grid management. This will be achieved through better access to diverse data, which will prompt responses that prevent weather changes from causing power grids to shut down. In addition, AI modeling techniques are being recommended for other uses in the US. For example, data scientists are exploring the ability of AI algorithms to predict the likelihood of civil unrest by analyzing historic, economic, and democratic data trends. This practice, known as unrest prediction, is expected to become more accurate with time, helping to predict outbreaks of political violence. The European Commission has drafted a resolution proposing that humans should have ultimate power to determine and overrule decisions made by AI and automated decision-making tools, especially in areas such as healthcare, law, and accounting. The EU-US Trade and Technology Council, launched in 2021, negotiated the new agreement and will serve as a permanent platform for transatlantic cooperation, with other countries set to be invited to join the partnership in the coming months. The European Commission's Directorate General for Communications Network, Content, and Technology, and the United States Department of State have signed an administrative arrangement on AI for the public good. Goals of the accord include addressing climate change, natural catastrophes, healthcare, energy, and agriculture as global issues. The agreement was reached because of the EU's and US's similar goal regarding the application of new digital technologies to pressing societal issues. By working together, researchers want to advance areas of artificial intelligence that could have far-reaching positive effects on society. Together, the countries involved will conduct research and pool their resources. Natural disaster preparedness and emergency response can benefit from the application of artificial intelligence for disaster prediction and simulation. Crop yields, efficiency, and sustainability will all see increases thanks to AI. The EU and the US will be able to work together more effectively to address global issues thanks to this agreement. Impact of the partnership on global advancements in AI. The partnership between the US and the EU has had a significant impact on global advancements in AI. One of the key areas where the partnership has had an impact is the development of ethical guidelines for the use of AI. The AI H-Leg has developed a set of ethical guidelines for the development and deployment of AI that have been adopted by numerous countries and organizations around the world. These guidelines have helped to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a responsible manner that takes into account ethical considerations. The partnership has also had an impact on the development of AI technologies. By collaborating on research and development, the US and the EU have been able to accelerate the development of AI technologies and bring them to market faster. This has enabled both regions to remain competitive in the global AI market and has helped to drive innovation in this field. In addition to driving advancements in AI, the partnership between the US and the EU has also helped to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared more widely. By developing ethical guidelines for the use of AI, the partnership has helped to ensure that the technology is developed and deployed in a manner that is inclusive and accessible to all. The partnership has also helped to promote the development of AI technologies that have the potential to address some of the world's most pressing challenges, such as climate change, healthcare, and poverty. Challenges and future of the partnership. Despite the significant progress that has been made in driving global advancements in AI through partnership between the US and the EU, there are still several challenges that need to be addressed. One of the main challenges is the need to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a manner that is consistent with the ethical guidelines developed by the AI H-Leg. While many countries and organizations have adopted these guidelines, there is still a need for greater awareness and education around the responsible use of AI. Another challenge is the need to address concerns around the impact of AI on jobs and the economy. As AI continues to advance, there's a risk that it could lead to job displacement in certain industries. The partnership between the US and the EU will need to address these concerns and work to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared more widely across society. Looking to the future, the partnership between the US and the EU will play a critical role in driving global advancements in AI. As AI continues to evolve, there will be a need for greater collaboration and cooperation between countries and regions to ensure that the technology is developed and deployed in a responsible and ethical manner. The partnership between the US and the EU will be a key driver of this cooperation and will help to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a way that benefits all of society. As we come to the end of this video, we can see that the future of AI is incredibly bright, and a US-EU partnership for innovation and progress is critical to driving global advancements in this field. That's all for today. What role do you see AI playing in shaping the future of our society? And how can we work together to ensure that we're using this technology to create a better world for everyone? We encourage you to continue this conversation and join us in driving global advancements in AI. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing videos from us.